I really want to bite all his toys. Do you? This one smells of milk. I can bite them. I let him bite them first because I don't want to ruin them. We're gonna get a pup, puppy, 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 pup, puppy, pup, pup, puppy, pup, pup. Should I put him here with me and cuddle him, or should I take him in the back seat?
It's up to you. You can't put him in the seatbelt at the front though.
Yeah, I should sit in the back, and then I can lay the towel out and stuff, can't I? Just in case he does any poops or weeps.
You should have like half the towel on the seat and half of it on you, so when he climbs on you, he's still on the towel.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm gonna cuddle him. I'm gonna cuddle him all the way home. I wish it was light so I could look at him. I hope he doesn't bite me. He's gonna bite me, isn't he?
Bite you lots.
Oh.
Well, he wasn't that bitey.
No, he was 4 weeks younger. His teeth were 4 weeks smaller. And his mum's been saying to him, bites, bites the bitch. And that hurt my throat.
No. Oh. I got into bed, and as I got into bed,
Just put your
I
hand
made
up,
this
like,
noise
it's
out
okay.
loud.
Yeah, maybe slow down the front roundabout.
It's crunch time.
We're getting a puppy!
Whatever happens, Betfair has had the best odds on the Champions
You
League.
think he'll remember us?
Betfair have a good instinct to meet smarts.
Data provided
I
by
think you've
TFL
also got to be
are based
prepared
on
for like
sportsbook average match odds over rounds since 1st of January 2018 compared to leading UK bookmakers. Full terms at betfair.com.
like maybe like a bad reaction.
To us?
Yeah, like him all of a sudden not liking us for some reason.
Straight away.
It's possible. Like it's something I was thinking of earlier. Like because if he's part of the pack, we're basically the people that's taking him away from it.
Yeah. We're horrible. Horrible, horrible people.
So if he does act out, you can't be sad.
And I can't hurt him. Boot him across the room. No, that's not funny.
What did you decide on us having for dinner? Did you buy some?
I'm just about to. What would you like with them? Chips?
Cheese.
Cheese, that's a good idea. Would you like him roasted or fried or boiled? Spit roast?
I would have said slow cook, but we're probably out of time.
No, I should have put him in this morning really, put him in slow cooked.
I'm going to fart lots and keep the smell in the car so that he gets used to it. Really
No. Babe,
Yeah.
do you want me to tell you something? Yes.
We're getting a dog.
Yeah. Getting an actual doggo.
Shot the game at hand. Now, during the commercials before the sport bulletin, news bulletin, I was like, oh, it's Tuesday, are we playing tonight? So I had a little look. I'm actually I'm in on my own tonight. Tim's got a work thing she's going to go to, so I'm like, okay, great. And what if I can watch the Leeds game? Oh, we're not playing
You can
till
keep
the
going
weekend.
if you want, but it's not
Oh,
much.
never mind. We're playing Saturday.
Oh, that's I thought you. Okay.
And Dominic says, are you on TV again? And I went, every week. No, we're not actually.
There's no
In fact, our
thingy, is
game
there?
hasn't been featured
No.
for a while.
Say I do movie bros, do you? What did she say?
So she's not going anywhere, but I can't see anywhere to go.
Why should she be able to...
I don't know.
Cool. Well, I guess we're not going though.
Yeah. You got... I'm gonna see.
Could you leave me the key?
No, it's because the power's on.
Oh. It's fine, I got it.
Such a stupid... I hate people like that.
Oh. In moron. What's she doing?
It's not that complicated.
Thanks, love.
Oh, and
Yeah.
all this. What?
I thought there was when she came around the corner.
What?
I can't believe she just, because when she kept coming, she would have seen us when she was at that lay-by pretty much.
Yeah. What do you want me to do then?
Babe, I'm not ready. I'm really not ready. I want to get him seatbelted in and all ready, okay? Can you hold it? Don't shine it like in our face though, they put it in his eyes. Oh, he's sick.
Already? The car hasn't even moved. That's a big thing. Oh, you tired? You tired?
You want to sleep on the way home?
Is there something behind you? Not so many things.
He's crying. Yeah?
It's your first toy. If you want something to bite, you can bite on that.
Okay. Yeah, you're a bit happier now.
Yeah. Yeah. You're licking your phone. Why are you licking the phone? You like the phone?
You're a really great boy. I know it's scary, I'm sorry. I promise that you'll like it though. It's okay.
Lara and Matt did say that Poppy crowed the whole way, so kind of have to expect the same to happen here.
Maybe I should have got you
No. Just keep talking to him and keep...
macaroni. What's this? Does it smell like your zippers?
It won't bite you to hurt you, and it won't bite you very hard.
Babe, I don't like it.
Babe, it's fine.
I'm scared that he's going to bite me.
He's not going to bite you. He's just sad, he's not going to... talking to him. Yeah, just keep talking to him.
What should I talk about? Did you have a good day, Macaroon?
Maybe you can talk to him about Warren.
You're gonna meet your new brother, Warren. Warren can't move. Babe,
What?
he's so sad.
Yeah, but he's gonna be sad. Like, he just doesn't know what's going on.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's gonna happen, so... Is he cuddling up to you?
Yeah, like when he gets scared, he just comes over to me.
Oh, that's cute.
Hey,
Yeah,
we got a dog.
we have got a dog.
We got a luckiest dog in the world. That's so good. You are so good. Look at you. And you. He's playing with me.
Is he? What's he doing?
He was like making his arms run.
His arms what? Run?
Yeah, like you know when they sleep and they breathe.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
Oh,
Oh, something's changed.
I jinxed it. Are you walking around again? Maybe we can You whinge when I play on my phone and I ignore you. We're gonna have to work on that, aren't we? Otherwise you're gonna be crying all the time. Hey. Hey. Do you know any words? Well, I'm not going to test you right now. That's my little boy. You want to come? Want me to tell you a story? Yeah, I'll tell you a story. Now, the fingers down in Roundabout at Christmas. Oh, I can't remember at the moment.
Oh no,
It's off by heart.
you're gonna have to try harder.
Maybe I tried this one. It was the night before Christmas, and all through the house was a creature was stirring, not even a macaroni. You like that, didn't you? That's what I know now, so I've disrupted myself with it not running. Hey, 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 I'm sorry I stopped. I'm sorry. I know, it's a bumpy road.
Sounds like a seagull.
You love seagull noise. That's going to get Mum and Paul back, isn't it? It's time to get to this
inviting his doggy seatbelt.
You're getting quite confident, aren't you?
Oh.
Don't use the word confident with him. I know it's corner now. I'm getting a bit nervous.
We've made it.
You made it all the way in. You were such a good boy.
Well done for making it. Good boy. Good boy. What was that? One of those. Not seen those before, have you? Oh, good yawn. Tight button. Good boy.
What do you do?
I sell cars.
Oh, yeah. Which ones?
I do. Vauxhalls.
Vauxhalls?
Vauxhall.
Is he saying Vauxhalls?
Vauxhall, I think. Is it Vauxhall?
Are you saying Vauxhall?
Vauxhall.
Vauxhall?
I'm from Sunderland originally.
It sounds
Like, I'm not a Vauxhall.
It sounds like he's swearing at me.
Yeah. This is our Vauxhall mint.
Brilliant. Right, let's spin the
Yeah.
wheel, shall we?
Here we go.
Beverage.
Probably,
What was that? Yeah.
Probably.
Well, this is actually also useful in a saucepan if you're trying to mix a sauce and need other stuff to...
Oh, like a casserole or something?
Yeah.
and that sounds perfect.
Well, you know how busy you are with life and everything. You know, stir. Grind.